Hey everyone, today I'm super excited to share with you this medical suture practice kit. It is so cool and it is so much fun. It is absolutely perfect for anyone who is a med student or a nurse or in nursing. It is the perfect gift for anyone who is in the medical field. So I'm going to show you guys all the parts that it comes with. So the biggest piece, it comes in this little this plastic container is this, which is the realistic skin, which you are going to be suturing. It's really cool. It's really flimsy and it's so realistic and it's really high quality, which is awesome. And as you guys can see, there are a couple different like patterns that you can suture up, which is nice because it just lets people get all the practice that they can get. It also comes with a bunch of surgical blades, as you guys can see, and they're all sterile, which is super nice, and they are all non-toxic as well, and they are all reusable as well. Everything here is reusable, which is awesome. And then it also comes with the suture part of it, which is really nice. They have a whole bunch, as you guys can see in this bag. I'll pull a couple more out here. So it shows on the package what they are, but this one is silk, as you guys can see, and they all have different colors labeling what each of them are. This is polyester. This one is polypropylene. And then again, we have silk, and then there's nylon in this bag, and I think there are a few more as well. And there are just bunches and bunches of them. It's amazing. So you can do this so many different times, which is awesome. And then the most important part are the tools that it has. So it comes in this cute little kit. You can just open it up, and as you guys can see, there are so many different tools to pick from that you can use, and they're all metal, which is really nice. They're all easy to clean as well, which is awesome, and it is just a perfect way to let those med students practice a little bit. And it's just really awesome. It's really durable. It's super hyper realistic. It is amazing. It also comes with a little baggie as well to store everything in, which is just really nice. And I will open one of these each to show you guys what they look like. So let's just crack this open. All right, so here is the blade that it comes with. Super hyper realistic, which is awesome. And like I said, everything is sterile, which is really awesome. Let's just open this up. Alright. And here it is. It comes in a super concealed package, which is really nice. So here is the silk band, which is really nice. And it also has a little piece on the top that you can take and put through here and use the tools on, which is really awesome. It's just really super cool and really nice, and it's really just fun to use as well. So if you guys are nursing students or med students, or you have any nursing friends or med friends or anyone in your family who is a nursing or med major, I highly recommend this. It is a perfect gift, and it is the perfect way to let them practice suturing. So I highly recommend this. Bye guys.